Hello good people, welcome to today's tutorial and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channels, kindly subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like and comment. If you've been part of the family, continue to support and subscribe, share with your colleagues. So today we are going to learn on how to auto fit our column. As you can be able to see, so many people get this and this is kind of makes them so crazy working with Excel. But I want to tell you, it's so easy to go about this. Most of people, when they have their cells spanned like this, they normally do this manually by enlarging the cells so that they can be able to see the hidden text. So I'm going to show you this by writing a visual basic code in Excel, and I'm going to show you how to be able to do that so that it does this for you automatically for the entire columns. Okay, you can be able to see our date here. We can't read through very well. Our price we cannot be able to see unless we enlarge manually. Is when we can be able to, is when it is visible enough. So let's learn. So it's so super easy doing this in Excel. So what you do, you click on your sheet 1. Then you can be able to rename it. If you don't want to rename it, you can go to view code. Okay, panel, click on it. It will give you a panel like this. Most of times it will come as general, but you can change this to worksheet. Okay, so in here we can be able to write our code. Okay, we can be able to write in our code, and our code is so simple, so simple. We'll say cells dot entire column. So we want to work with the entire column dot auto fit. Okay, we want it to be auto fit. Then we leave it running. Okay, you don't stop the code from running. So then once that is done, then we close our panel. Okay, once you close your panel, click outside the cell, it will enlarge. Okay, so this also can be done to our what, our row, because also our row are panned, so we can be able to do that as well to our row. So we can say cells dot entire row dot auto fit. Okay, then we close the panel, then we click done. Well and good. So if you have a huge data presented in Excel and you have difficulty reading the data and enlarging the column so that you are able to see, because this is something that you can't do to more than 1,000 columns or 1,000 rows. In any case, you are analyzing a bigger data. So that's how to go about it. I hope you love it. Try it out. Give a thumbs up to my video. Continue to subscribe and be part of their family. See you.